PDF file for a PowerPoint presentation, first make sure that you have completed all the steps in the presentation, including adding the header and the footer at the end of the instructions. Then click on the File tab and click on Save As. And then of course you will go through the computer and basically find a folder where you're saving your work for your portfolio items for PowerPoint. Now notice that I need to click on Save As Type and choose to save this as a PDF. Notice that the name of my project is different. Please make sure that when you are saving your projects that you name them accordingly to what it says in the book, last name, first name, and then the project name. This is just an example. So notice that as I am saving as PDF, I have to choose the type, and then a button shows up under that called Options. Then we're going to print all the slides, but notice that when we create the PDF, it's going to be exactly the same setting as printing out this presentation. So this presentation needs to be printed out as a handout. In terms of this particular project, they want me to print it for slides horizontal. So I set it up as if I was going to print it right now, but what is going to happen is PowerPoint is going to create a PDF file that has all these setups, and so I can directly print the PDF for the portfolio instead of going back into PowerPoint and trying to figure out what I need to print. And so I just need to click OK, and then I just need to click on Save. And then this is the PDF handout. Notice that it basically looks as if it's a printout already. And then on the top right corner of the page, under the date, because that write down the page ID code that you have been instructed to write for this project or for the project that is assigned. This is just a sample project. But notice that it created the handout, and there are 4 slides organized horizontally. You have the header, you have the footer, and if you've completed these steps and this looks exactly like the preview for the project in the book, then you could definitely just print this document for the portfolio.